my finger. 68. I think so.
Get him banned.
Oh. Just peed myself. I think so. Don't look at me like that. What?
The loudest light snack ever.
Unfortunately, I think this sickness is here to stay until I pop this baby out of me. Here's a little bump date. I genuinely think that I have HG. For those of you guys who don't know what that is, it's basically where you just get super sick throughout your entire pregnancy. Worst part of my freaking day. Oh. Anyway.
Bombastic side.
I did get blood work for the cholestasis, ICP. Palms and soles of your feet. Came back negative. I'm just like really itchy everywhere though. Apparently it's normal. I don't know. So good. What are you doing, somersaults in there? My nipples are literal daggers. I filled up my cup this morning, so I'm gonna go get a coffee. My rings barely go on my fingers anymore. I can get you. You wanna know what makes my morning? Leaving my house to get a coffee. Normally I wouldn't care, but I'm going to take my eye patches off because I'm wearing an orange set and I kind of look like a pumpkin. I have the headband on, so I just think that's a little much. Oh. I'm feeling good. Decaf iced vanilla latte, sweet vanilla cold foam on top. Can I tell you guys, I am obsessed with this coffee shop. They have the cutest things ever. I've also never seen this color before. Thank you. Thank you. Dang, that's how you know the coffee is real good. My staple breakfast is hash browns and then scrambling in some eggs. I'm gonna eat, retake my blood sugars. I will say, if you're pregnant and you failed your first glucose test and you don't want to take the 3-hour, ask for a glucometer. It's honestly so much easier. Also say it's definitely harder to eat pregnancy. Hello? It's definitely hard to eat healthy during pregnancy when I'm constantly nauseous. But I digress. To show you guys, I found this off Etsy. How freaking cute. Put your wipes in the front pouch and then diapers go in the back pouch. I also set up this little hospital baby folder yesterday. All of these little tabs here, so satisfying for my brain. For an outfit today, I'm just gonna wear these Elwood boy shorts and then this blue tee. I gotta go take my sugars and then go to pelvic floor therapy. I gotta go get my vagine massage. I hate it so much, it's so uncomfortable. So wish us luck.